The HLS-2 comes from the factory with a transportation bar already installed in the standard position for loading and unloading. If you prefer, you can adjust the transportation bar. The leveler has 4 mounting holes, giving you 4 possible orientations to choose from. To install or reposition the bar, simply align the protective flap with the screw holes on top of the platform. Then secure the transportation bar to the protective flap with the screws provided. For ground level installation, only one orientation is possible. Refer to Figure 6.4.1 for guidance.